Are you tired of managing your organization's desktop environment? Do you find yourself constantly troubleshooting software issues and managing updates? With a managed desktop solution, you can free up your IT team's time and focus on what matters most, growing your business. So what exactly is a managed desktop solution? Simply put, it's a comprehensive service that takes care of all aspects of your desktop environment, from software updates to security patches, and everything in between. With a managed desktop solution, your organization's desktop environment is fully managed and supported by a team of experts. At NCRI, we provide top-notch managed desktop solutions designed to meet your organization's unique needs. Our team of experts will work with you to assess your current desktop environment and create a customized solution that meets your specific requirements. Our managed desktop solution includes a powerful dashboard that gives you real-time insights into your desktop environment. With this tool, you can easily monitor your desktop environment, view performance metrics, and receive alerts when issues arise. With our managed desktop solution, your employees can work with confidence, knowing that their desktop environment is always up to date and secure. Plus, with our 24/7 support, you can rest assured that any issues will be quickly resolved by our team of experts. Partner with NCRI for your managed desktop solution needs and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your desktop environment is in good hands. Contact us today to learn more.